Hello everybody, here we are, day 5 of the show, last day of the show. It's been a great week. We hope you're all having a great time and your feet don't hurt too much.
Mine do.
Yeah. So we're here today to talk a little bit about a really cool feature that separates Wittmann from the pack. You know, we all think and hear a lot about Industry 4.0, but what's very unique about Wittmann's solution is we actually put a central router and control in the base of the machine that allows us to connect all our products, robots, and auxiliaries together. It's a very unique solution. I'm here today with Jack DeFrancisco. He's a technical salesperson in our IMM group. We do a lot of turnkey solutions which involve the molding machine, the robots, sometimes downstream automation, and all the auxiliaries, and they can all come together in a runoff at Wittmann. This allows us to also perfect the integration of all the work cells together. We're in a world of OPC UA where we collect data from each auxiliary piece of equipment. We want to know troubleshooting and issues. Jack's going to help us learn a little bit about this solution that we're offering. Hey Jack, how you doing?
I'm doing good, Dave. Thank you for asking. And you covered a lot of what Wittmann 4.0 means to us as a company. But the main thing that we want to focus on that really sets us apart is the centralized router that you talked about and the data transfer that we have. A lot of people can do visualization of auxiliary equipment on their controller, but with our data transfer system, we can actually control every piece of equipment around the press. And that's TCUs, robots, anything connected. And that is also through a safe and secure system internally, and it's not an external connection as well.
Okay. So what kind of advantages, if I'm a typical mold setup tech and I'm trying to get a job running on the weekend, and I know some of these units must move around the plant, they're not always fixed like the robot and the molding machine. How does one accomplish this setup?
So you can take any TCU that is 4.0 enabled, and as long as you connect it into the machine with our Ethernet cable, the IP address is automatically uploaded to the machine, so you don't need to input that. And then you load what we have are called mold cards. So you save the setup for that system, and that will automatically export any set points like TCU temperatures, dryer ranges, automatically gets exported to every piece of equipment, and then you are good to run.
That's pretty cool. Now, if all that's set up to the machine, I don't have to go to the TCU and turn it on and set it. I can do it here. I can save the recipe and call it up. Let's say I've got all that work cell running and a few work cells. Could I know remotely what's going on with that work cell?
You can. That is an internal app that we have called Wittmann Quick Look 4.0. Now our customers can download this, and what that allows you to do is visualize everything that's going on in your connected cell. So that allows you to see things like cycle time and part counts on the machine, as well as set points and actual temperatures on TCUs and every other piece of equipment. And if anything goes into an alarm for any reason, God forbid, you can see that alarm and go fix it right away.
Pretty cool. I can see now where Wittmann has an advantage with 4.0 technology. You know, we're going to close out the show this week and just say thank you to all our employees as well as the customers, our sales network. We've had great meetings all week long, and last but not least, again, it's all Wittmann. Thank you, everybody.